Osprey is a company based in Calgary, Canada. They develop a cloud-based visual analytic platform to enable companies like Shell to detect, manage and inspect their facilities like LNG plants, refineries or fuel terminals. Shell Ventures invested in Osprey for their potential as a company, but also for the use cases this technology can have.
My name's Lisa Irwin. I've been with Shell for 17 years. I started as a hydrogen engineer and I've had various roles, and I'm now the terminal manager for Calgary and Bear Point terminals. The Calgary terminal needed some camera upgrades around March 2018, so our system was going obsolete, and we were able to start working with Osprey to do the improvements that we needed to meet Shell's needs for security. Our old camera system was all analog cameras, and using Osprey we were able to use encoders to convert that old analog signal into IP, which now goes to a website that we can easily access. We found that by having easy access to those websites, we're able to go back and look at incidents, and we're able to access our footage easily from offsite. Prior to having Osprey on our site, we were looking for a solution that wouldn't be as expensive as wiring new cameras and new electrical out to the rail rack. So Osprey was able to bring in solar panels and wireless cameras so that we now have access to our rail facility, and we can see that remotely. Using Osprey's technology, we can convert that analog signal into smart signal, and that allows the Osprey analytics system to detect various shapes on footage. So for example, if we need to go back and find footage with humans walking, we can easily find that. And the difference between a human and a truck and a pickup truck and a rail car, we can find all of that quite easily when we go back through our footage and search for those. So one thing that many terminals could benefit from is the ability to bring in Osprey without having to change out everything at the same time. So Osprey can use existing cameras. Osprey can add in new cameras if there's spots in the security plan that are missing, and bring it in pieces so it's not one big project and a large expense all at the same time. So now that the system is running, we've found a couple of ways to use it that we didn't foresee in the beginning. We recently did an emergency response drill with one of our industrial neighbors, and we were able to tell that if we were ever evacuated due to somebody else's incident, we could still monitor our site. We're also using it with our driver trainers, that they can come into our site and review our footage, so they can actually review the performance of their own employees using our camera system. We have really appreciated the level of customer support that we've received from Osprey, not only for myself as a manager, but right to our operator level, that they're completely comfortable calling when they have a question or an issue and knowing that they'll get some help. I really appreciate having this system because it does give me the ability to investigate incidents and to view my footage off-site if I ever do need to look at something and I can't be physically there.